We all use ad networks, but what do we really know about their performance? Choosing the right networks to run your ads can make or break your campaign performance. But stay calm, we're here to help. In this video, we'll reveal the best mobile ad networks on iOS and Android using our unique power ranking from AppsFlyer Performance Index, specifically for the purpose of driving non-gaming app installs. All right, so let's kick off with the top 5 global iOS media sources. In 5th place, we've got Google Ads, mainly because of its success in shopping and finance apps. 4th place is performance advertising platform Moloko, which is particularly strong in life and culture apps. Snapchat snatches up 3rd place globally, driven by its ranking in life and culture in North America. 2nd place is Meta Ads, mostly the result of its performance for life and culture apps globally. And at the top, yet again, is Apple Search Ads, performing with unmatched scale and quality across every region and category. When it comes to iOS and the power of search intent in the App Store, it's just unbeatable. Let's move on to advertising on Android, where volume is the driving force with 3 top players. In 3rd place globally is TikTok for Business, mainly for utility group apps like calculators, calendars, translators, and many others. But despite the rise of TikTok, it still needs binoculars to see the network above it, Meta Ads, ranking in 2nd place, a dominant force across every category. And that brings us to the top of the list. The #1 global power ranking across all Android apps by a long shot is, you guessed it, Google Ads. The search giant's dominance on its own Android platform is far-reaching indeed. For a more in-depth breakdown on each app category and region, we've got over 150 different rankings. So check out the full performance index report in the attached link. Use it to make the most out of your campaigns and strategize your strongest year to date. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Phew, officially out of breath.